Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a butterfly, so let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is make the butterfly's head. So it's just going to be a circle. Coming out from the circle, let's make a couple of antennae. I like to make mine with a little swirl at the end. Now let's make a nice round eye. So for this butterfly, we're going to make his body go diagonally. So we're going to make a diagonal curved line going this way, and then another one coming this way. And did you see how I crossed at the bottom? That just creates a little bit more interest. Now I'm going to double up this first line, just like that. Now I'm going to create our butterfly's wings. And they're going to be a little bit fancy, so they're going to be a little bit curvy. I'm going to come out and I'm going to come up like this. So I come out and I come up and then I come down. So it's a curved line coming up and a curved line coming down. That's for the wing that's closest to us. And then for the wing that's a little bit further away from us, we're going to go like this. So it's a curved line coming up and a curved line coming down because the butterfly is flying this way. For the bottom part of his wing, I'm just going to make a couple of curved lines. That's the one in the front, and then this is the one in the back. Now you can add any designs that you like into the interior of your butterfly wings. So I think what I'm going to do is keep it simple. I'm just going to make some curved lines, some loops. So I've made a straight line with a curved line on the top. It's like an upside down U. And then I'm going to make some petals on my flower underneath only, like this. Then I'll make another one here, a little bit higher. Remember, if you're hitting something with your marker, then you just make sure that you jump over it and then come back up. So it looks like the other object, whatever it is in the front. And I think I'll make one more and maybe it'll go this way a little bit. And then let's put some stems on our flowers coming out from the bottom. I think what I'll do now is I will make a couple of clouds in the sky around my butterfly. Maybe one up here because I have a little bit of space to fill. That's what I do. I just look at my picture after I have the main objects in it and I decide what needs to go in there. So it could be a cloud, it could be a small bird flying in the background, or the sun. I just look at my picture or my painting or my drawing, and then I decide at that time. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time.